So, Lieutenant, where exactly were you?
Well, Thank you. Started up on his 6 when he pulled through the clouds, and then I moved in above him.
Well, if you were directly above him, how could you see him?
Because I was inverted.
You were in a 4G, inverted dive with a MiG-28?
Yes, ma'am.
What were you doing there?
Communicating. Keeping up foreign relations. I was, giving him the bird. The finger.
She fill my mind up with ideas.